Hi, this is Josiah Owen with Expert Village, and today we'll be talking about making meatless lasagna.
At this point, we're going to go ahead and add our onions and garlic for the zucchini and mushrooms. We're going to add our tomato sauce. And go ahead and add our fresh tomatoes. Stir this up. Make sure all the vegetables are evenly coated with the tomato sauce.